Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, April 2, 2025. Today's video is about 2022 to 2023 California floods. Periods of heavy rainfall caused by multiple atmospheric rivers in California between December 31, 2022, and March 25, 2023, resulted in floods that affected parts of Southern California, the California Central Coast, Northern California, and Nevada. The flooding resulted in over $4 billion in property damage and at least 22 fatalities. A portion of California State Route 84 in Woodside was closed due to landslide damage as a result of the floods, as shown in this aerial photograph taken on April 2, 2023. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.